Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 171. You will be glad to hear that under the circumstances I was able to attend the lecture, and though as a rule I do not care for such meetings, I enjoyed it very much indeed. Full stop. Having regard to the subject, I think there ought to have been a much larger audience, but some who ought to have known about it pleaded ignorance in justification of their absence. Full stop. With regard to the lecture itself, I have pleasure in giving you a summary of the chief points. First off, in days gone by, according to the lecturer, it appears to have been the rule rather than the exception to walk as much as possible, and only to ride when it was absolutely necessary, notwithstanding the fact that longer hours were worked than now. Full stop. At the present day, however, all over the world there is an ever growing tendency, on the one hand to ignore to a great extent the value of walking, and on the other hand to travel on all occasions by vehicles of one kind or another. Full stop. Unfortunately, as the speaker truly observed, city life of today necessitates the use of rapid means of locomotion, but there is no reason why people should, as a matter of course, spend their leisurely weekend, or their annual holiday, scouring the countryside in a motor, or rushing across great stretches of country in a train. Full stop.